Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's almost a weekend. Friday, March the 12th, 2021. We have here in the additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Also, a tectonic with 4 stars, with 1 star tectonic, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. Yes, total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all. I only do 4 of them. Half of them I will solve, and the first one I will solve will be a 3-star Sudoku. Then I will solve the 4-star Sudoku, this one, a tectonic, and a binary I will do. Alright, the first Sudoku will be a 3-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2460. Yes, 2460. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted 25 as usually. Usual, yes. 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. A lot of number. Yeah. The 4, the 7 I can use. Yeah. Alright, let me use the number 4. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be there. Okay, I cannot continue with the 4. I believe. Yes, need to wait. Yeah, need to wait. How about the 7? 7 in this last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, lucky 7. Number 7. Digit number 1, number 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this row. So no 9 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 3. Okay, so what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 2, 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? We have 1, 2, 8. These 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 here, so the 5 should be there. And the 6 goes here. All right. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Then 1 and 3. How about the number? Yes, 2 numbers left in the first row. For the numbers 8 and 6 are missing. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then the 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me think. 4. Okay. How about 6? In the third row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this big square, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and a 3. That means here we have a pair. So 1 digit left in the first column for the number 2. All right. These 2 numbers are left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. No. 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And then 1 and 2. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3 and number 4. All right. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 6. No, 6 we have. 2 and 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 9. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. Right? And this box should be a 9. Alright. Then. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. These 2 I can also not fill in this big square. The 1 and the 3 are missing. I need to wait. How about those 2 missing numbers in this big square? The 1 and the 8. No, cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, the 3 and the 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6 are missing in this row. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. The 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. And look, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number, oh no. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great. By Sudoku. I like this one. Is it a 3 stars? No. I think rather a 1 star or a 2 stars. For 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 minutes, 25 to solve. If it's really 3 stars, for 4 stars, I need more than 30 minutes. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, prepare for the 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.